Today we are going to study schist under microscope. Schist is foliated in structure. This rock is schistose in texture, medium to coarse grained. Schist is a metamorphic rock that is metamorphosed from mafic igneous rock by regional metamorphism.